You're in a Zoom meeting. It's quiet, the boss is talking, then suddenly grrrr. Nope, it's not a lion. It's your stomach staging a protest. But why does it growl like it's possessed by demons? Welcome to your body's weirdest mysteries, explained with a little fun, a little science, and a whole lot of, did that just happen? This is a cloaked, Creatives Health Gossip Hour, and today we're tackling stomach growls. Let's break it down. The medical name for that beastly rumble. Borborygmi. Yeah, that's a real word. Sounds like a spell from the famous Harry Potter. But really it's your intestines squeezing and pushing food, gas, and digestive juices through your gut. It's called peristalsis. Imagine a toothpaste tube slowly squishing its contents down the line. That's your intestines, on a loop. Surprise! Growling doesn't always mean you're hungry. Even hours after eating, your gut's cleaning crew comes out sweeping up leftovers. This is called the migrating motor complex. It kicks in when your belly is empty for over 2 hours. So, no, your stomach isn't begging for pizza. It's just tidying up the party in there. Why it's so loud in quiet rooms? Ever notice it only growls when the room is silent? That's because background noise usually drowns it out. But in quiet places like classrooms, meetings, libraries, it sounds like there's a bear in your gut. Here, a few tips to calm the growl. Snack smart as small meals help. Stay hydrated because water keeps digestion smooth. Avoid gas bombs like beans, carbonated drinks, and chewing gum like a cow. And lastly, maybe don't join meetings on an empty stomach. If your body keeps surprising you, hit that subscribe button for weekly drops of hilarious, weird, and shockingly true health facts. Smash the like if your stomach has embarrassed you before and share this with a friend who needs to know what the heck borborygmi is.